Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start again studying for current affairs for 67th BPSC. Even if exam has been cancelled. Now directly coming to the first question related to India and world related question. So first question is India's first Graphene Innovation Center has been opened in which state? So it has been opened in Kerala, Thrissur. In Thrissur, Kerala, India's first Graphene Innovation Center has been opened. So now graphene is what? Graphene is an allotrope of carbon. Okay, so graphene is an allotrope of carbon and it is very hard and very tough. It can be used as a substitute of steel. So Tata Steel has collaborated with Kerala government to start such innovation center, graphene innovation center in Kerala. Other Kerala related thing, labor movement museum has been started in Kerala. A drone forensic laboratory has been opened in Kerala. Now second question is which state has decided to start celebrating Onake Obhava Jayanti? So it has been started into Karnataka. In Karnataka there is a politics. Earlier before BJP government there was very much fight over Tipu Sultan birthday. There was a state holiday on Tipu Sultan birthday. Now there is the politics of Hinduism and nationalism and everything. So to counter such things, they have decided to celebrate Onake Obhava Jayanti because there is BJP government under Basava Raj Bomai. And Onake Obhava was the lady warrior who single-handedly fought against Hyder Ali, father of Tipu Sultan Hyder Ali. She was the lady warrior. To celebrate this event, Karnataka has decided to celebrate Onake Obhava Jayanti. Okay, now next is first smartphone based e-voting system has been started in as a pilot project in Telangana, Hyderabad. They have started first smartphone based e-voting system. Now significance of it is कि it may help the older people, all the people who can't go to the election booth to put their vote because they are injured or they are older or they are disabled people. So this is a very good initiative. Now it is happening in trial basis. Now second question is Pochampalli village, who has been regarded as one of the best tourism village by United Nations World Trade Organization. So Pochampalli village in which state? So it is also in Telangana, situated near Hyderabad, capital Hyderabad. This is a village famous for weavers, famous for silk weavers. Okay, tourists come for their silk buying. So Pochampalli village is in Telangana, Hyderabad. Now some question, there is confusion, CEO and chairman. So always remember chairman is Greg Barclay from New Zealand. And for day-to-day activity, there are CEO, Chief Executive Officer. So CEO is Geoffrey Rice and Chairman is Greg Barclay of New Zealand. Some New Zealand related questions are Claire Polasak. She is the first woman from New Zealand to officiate in men's international. Okay. Other thing we have studied in Olympics, ki Laurel Hubbard. She is also from New Zealand. He or she and they have participated first transgender to participate in Olympics, Laurel Hubbard. So these two names are very important. Both are from New Zealand, Claire Polosak and Laurel Hubbard. Now scheme related, Mukhyamantri Rasan Aapke Dwar scheme has been started in which district, which state, sorry. So it has been started in Madhya Pradesh under Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Mukhyamantri Rasan Aapke Dwar scheme. Rasan will be provided to your home. You don't have to go to the dealer. This is basically the copying of Delhi model, Delhi Kejriwal model. Every state is trying to copy it. Okay, now Twitter CEO who was recently in news, Indian origin, Parag Agrawal, Twitter CEO and very famous. कि Twitter has been recently acquired by Elon Musk for $44 billion direct buy, and this has put in jeopardy the position of Parag Agrawal. There is no confusion कि if Parag Agrawal is going to stay as CEO or he will be removed. Right now, Parag Agrawal is the Twitter CEO and Twitter has been bought by Elon Musk, richest person of the world, SpaceX founder and also electric vehicle Tesla. Okay, Elon Musk, very visionary person. And Elon Musk is originally from South Africa. This question can be also asked. Elon Musk is basically from which country? So he is South African origin person who currently resides in America. India's rank in unicorn companies as per Hurun Research Institute. So very good news कि India's rank has been improved to third after United States of America, Israel. India has become the hub of unicorn companies. Unicorn companies are those IT companies who had got the status of $1 billion companies, unicorn companies. Very important for IT revolution and for future of India. Now, world's highest electric charging station has been opened at which place? The world highest electric charging station has been started in Ladakh. Electric charging station, world's highest electric charging station. Then first common Indian to get Christian Saint title to Devasam Pillai in May 22. Pope Pope has given him the Christian Saint title. He was active in 18th century in Kerala region. Okay, he was basically a Hindu, obviously. Then he converted into Christianism, and ultimately he was killed by the Travancore royal family. So, for to celebrate his martyrdom, he has been given the Christian Saint title, very big title, Devasam Pillai, Kerala. Then Europe's first parliament with women majority. So Europe's first parliament with women majority, Iceland has become where women are in majority in parliament. Their Sansad. In India there is Sansad, in Iceland Sansad there are women are in majority. Women are more than 50%. So this is Europe's first such parliament. Then similarly Dware Rasan scheme has been started into West Bengal. Your ration will be delivered to your dwar, your home in West Bengal, Mamta Banerjee. Then Fish Wale e-fish market app has been started in Assam. You can buy your fish and fish related products via app. So this has been started into Assam, started in Assam. And Assam's chief minister is Himant Biswas Sarma. And one related fact is कि chief minister Hemant Biswas Sarma is chairman of All India Badminton Association. Okay, then Assam has recently started to give their highest state civilian award. That name is Assam Vaibhav. They have started giving Assam Vaibhav award, and for the first time it has been given to industrialist Ratan Tata. Everybody knows this name, Ratan Tata. So he has been awarded Assam Vaibhav award for the first time. Then 18 July as Formation Day instead of 1st of November. In which state? So Tamil Nadu has decided to celebrate 18 July as their formation. Earlier, there was the government of AIDMK. They had started 18 July as the formation day because on this day, Madras was bifurcated into Andhra and Tamil Nadu region. Okay, so this they had been selected, but M.K. Stalin from DMK government has decided to celebrate as 18 July because on 18 July the nomenclature of Tamil Nadu was given by their chief minister CN Annadurai. So they have decided to celebrate 18 July. Okay, there is a politics going on ki why you are changing the formation day, but whoever is in government they will do what they want to do. So Tamil Nadu has decided to celebrate their formation day on 18 July. One related fact, Subramanyam Bharti. Okay, they have said Kavi Divas, some Kavi Divas in Tamil Nadu. Then India's first food museum has been started in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Related fact is, first FCI factory had been started at this place, Food Corporation of India. To celebrate this, India's first food museum has been started in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur, because here the first FCI godown had been started. Then Mahakavi Divas, oh that I was talking. Mahakavi Divas in remembrance of Subramanyam Bharti, already studied. GI tag, Karupur Kalamkari painting and Kala Kuruchi wood carving has been given GI tag, Tamil Nadu, both related to Tamil Nadu. Then world's first self-driving train has been started into Hamburg with the help of Siemens technology. Germany, Hamburg, world's first self-driving train. Train will drive themselves. You just have to push the on and off button. Okay, in Hamburg. Then most expensive city to live in as per Economic Intelligence Unit. Most expensive city to live in, Israel capital Tel Aviv. Hub of unicorn companies, hub of IT sector. Tel Aviv is the most expensive city to live in. Earlier this title has been taken by London, but Tel Aviv has overtaken London, and Tel Aviv is right now the most expensive city. If you are going to stay in Tel Aviv, then your cost will be the most highest in the world. Then some Bihar related fact, Bihar administrative system, division we already know 9 divisions, then subdivision 101 block 534, then there are 38 Jila Parishad, then Panchayat, Gram Panchayat. You have to remember this fact कि Panchayat Gram Panchayat 80, 67. Then question was total number of municipal corporation in Bihar. So total number of municipal corporation in Bihar are 19, and latest one is Saharsa. Saharsa has been created as new municipal corporation, and total number is 19. So remember this. And as per National Family Health Survey report, highest number of children suffering from dwarfism means people with less height. Okay, so Sekpura has the problem dwarfism. Okay, then Yidan Award 2021 for education development has been given to a Bihari woman, Dr. Rukmani Banerjee. She has been associated with Pratham NGO, and she has been given Yidan Award. Yidan Award is given for education development. Dr. Rukmani Banerjee, Pratham is a very famous NGO. Then total expenditure of setting up 149 ITI as high level center of excellence. ITI will be converted into center of excellence. So budget provision is 4607 crore. Remember this fact. Okay, then there is a Scotch Award. Scotch is basically a think tank. They provide award for good governance. So their relationship with Bihar. Bihar has won which award? Best performing award is Andhra Pradesh. Best performing chief minister is Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YSR Reddy. And in Bihar, Bihar got two awards, one gold award and one silver award. So this becomes important for BPSC. Okay, gold award has been got for governance for successful implementation of RTPS services. RTPS services, Right to Public Service Act 2011. In Bihar, there is a system कि you can apply online your caste certificate, OBC certificate, and there is a time limit कि in this time period they had to provide the document online version. Revenue officer signs those document digitally. Okay, and this has been created as an act in 2011. Very important year. Right to Public Service Act. This question can be also asked कि Bihar RTPS Act was passed in which year? So it has been made into act in 2011. And one silver award for CM Gram Sampark Yojana. Bihar roads are good. Silver award. Then Darbhanga commercial flight services started on approx average passenger in a year 5 lakhs. Okay, then Bihar's first fish feed mill has been started in Patna. Okay, feed mill, first fish feed mill, such feed mill has been created in Patna. Those kind of food which fish eat, so such kind of production mill has been started into Patna. First ethanol plant has been in Bihar started into Ara Bhojpur. That is also important. Now what content I have used in this video is Ampian Academy app. Kindly download this app and use this app. Buy some current affairs 160 or 700 rupees. The most important thing is there are unlimited attempts, so you can give the unlimited attempt and you can improve your score. Out of 50, improve your score near to 50. Unlimited attempt, so it will make your preparation easy. And this has been suggested to my dear friend Neha. She is working right now as revenue officer and BPSC. Very good suggestion. Okay, and rest, stay connected with me on my Telegram ID. I share my documents over there. Okay, that's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks, bye bye, and take care.